In this video, we are gonna learn to convert decimal to binary. So basically, what is decimal and what's binary? Decimal means like this kind of numbers which has a base of 10, but we usually don't write it. Binary means these kind of numbers in base 2, right? So basically, binary, to convert decimal to binary, we have to divide here. We have this number and we have to convert it to binary. To convert it to binary, we have to divide it to 2 until we get 0, and we take only the remainders, and they are binary, our binary number. So for example, in this example, let's try to convert it to binary. We always divide it to 2 if we want to convert it to binary. Therefore, the number 75 we divide to 2, we get 37, but the remainder is 1. We write it R1. Then we take this whole number and we again divide it to 2. Then we get 18, right? But remainder is 1. Why? Because 37 cannot be divided to 2. If we divide, there is a remainder and we write it as 1. Then then 18 we divide to 2 and it equals 9, and the remainder is 0, right? Because 18 can be divided to 2 without any remainders. Then we take 9 and we divide it to 2. Then we write 4, and again here you can see the remainder is 1, because 9 cannot be divided to 2 without any remainders. Then we take 4 and again we divide it to 2, and the remainder is 0 because 4 can be divided to 2. Then we take 2 and again we divide it to 1. The remainder is 0, you can see again 0 because 2 can be divided to 2. Then we take 1, then we divide the 2, 0, but the remainder is 1. I said we divide it till we get 0. Here we got 0 and here we got the remainders, and these remainders are our binary. But here be careful. Here you have to write them from bottom to the top. Here we are not writing 1101 001, but rather 1001. Like basically we write like this from bottom to the top. Therefore our result is 1001,011, and we got our binary number. So 75 in binary would be this number, and this is the end. Let's see another example. Let's convert 142 to binary number. So as always, we start by dividing 142 to 2, right? If we divide, we got 71 with remainder 0, because for 142 can be divided to 2 without any kind of remainders. Then we take 71 and divide it to 2, and we get 35, and in the remainder 1. Then we take 35 and divide it to 2, we get 17, and of course the remainder is 1. And we take 17 and we divide the 2. Then we get 8, and again the remainder is 1. Then we take 8 and we divide the 2, and we get 4, and the remainder is 0. Then we get 4 and we divide it to 2, and we get 2. The remainder is again 0. Why? Because 4 can be divided to 2 without any kind of remainders. And we take 2 and we divide it to 2, and the remainder is again 0. And we take 1 and we divide it to 2, and we get 0, and in the remainder 1. here we will divide till we get 0. Here we got 0, and as a binary we take remainders from bottom to the top, right? Therefore our in binary it would be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 0. Here we got our binary number.